Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac OS is up to date and that you can authenticate as an administrator. Open System Settings and go straight to Control Center, then Screensaver and Lock. This is where you'll control lock screen behavior. Once done, locate the video you want in Finder or Photos. Having it in a simple folder helps. You'll use that file shortly, so make sure it's the correct clip and in a compatible format to avoid delays when assigning it to the lock screen. Next, you create a screensaver that plays your video. Mac OS does not natively accept arbitrary videos as lock screens, so this step is essential. Convert the clip to a common format like H.264 MP4 if necessary, then use a lightweight screensaver app or package a custom saver bundle that calls Screensaver Engine on your file. Once the saver is built, move it to your user library's screensavers folder, and then enable it in System Settings. Finally, configure lock behavior. Set the timer for when the screen locks, require a password on wake, and ensure the screensaver activates on display sleep. Then test immediately by locking the screen or waiting for the configured delay. Observe video playback volume and whether the display dims appropriately. If it fails, make sure the video file format is supported. The saver has correct file permissions, and the path in the screensaver configuration points to your file. Correcting any of these usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.